What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts. Now, a lot of people started to add affiliate links in YouTube Shorts, and a lot of channels are getting deleted permanently from the platform. And the reason is very obvious, which is like people don't really know the YouTube algorithm. Okay, they don't know what kind of videos or shorts to post on YouTube, and that makes YouTube delete channels without a warning. And YouTube gives you like 3 warnings, but the moment you post an affiliate link, your channel will be deleted. And you can make sure what I'm saying is true if you go to a video on YouTube, if they are talking about how to add affiliate links to YouTube Shorts. If you check the comments, you will find that a lot of people their videos they are like their YouTube channels are getting deleted permanently from YouTube. And I have found the reason for this. So yeah, to add affiliate link on YouTube Shorts, first you need, of course, you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So if you haven't done that already, you need to do that and then come back to this video. Okay, so after you sign up, after you join the Amazon affiliate program, then come back to this video, and I'm going to show you guys how you can add the Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Short the correct way. So yeah, and you need to click on create in the top right, click on upload video, and then you want to get the video that you are trying to add the affiliate link to. So this YouTube Short, as you can see, you want to like drag it here, and as you can see, it says here yeah, the title, for example, the best AirPods, for example, or the best gym product. This is just an example. You need to make it very like, you need to make the title very good so that people will watch the video longer, and people will be like curious about the video. So you need to give it some time and create a very good title. And the description doesn't really matter what you type here in the description. Most people don't even read the description. So it just needs, for example, hi, this video is about blah blah blah. It doesn't really matter. Now what matters here, so that your channel will not get deleted, is you want to scroll down, like keep scrolling, and you need to check this one. As you can see, it says here, my video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorships, and yeah, you just need to check this, as you can see. And it says here, by selecting this box, you confirm that the paid promotion follows our ad policies and applicable laws and regulations. You want to click on learn more, and you want to read, so that you don't post a video that YouTube doesn't allow, because you don't want to get banned from YouTube. Okay, yeah, after that, after you check this, then you need to click on next, and then you need to click on next, and then you want to click click publish. And this is the link of your YouTube Shorts. As it says a video link, you want to click on here where it says copy video link. You want to open a new tab, paste that link, click enter, and this is the YouTube Short, as you can see. Now it's like it looks like it's not YouTube Shorts, because I have like an extension that blocks YouTube Shorts. I'm going to disable it for this video right now. So I'm going to reload the page.
Tate almost got me fucking killed. We're in Dubai.
It says here includes paid promotion, as you can see. Now in the comments, you want to type, you want to enter, you want to click, after you sign up for Amazon affiliate program, you want to click on text here, and you want to copy that link. Okay, so for example, let's just assume that this is the link. Okay, after you copy it, you want to again paste it in the description, click on comment. Okay, and you want to pin the comment after you pin it. For example, this is for example the Amazon affiliate link. Okay, you want to click comment, you want to click on these 3 little dots, and you want to click pin. That's it. Then click pin. So after you pin the comment, everyone who is going to watch that video, they will see the link in the comments in the top of the video. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.